They say be global. They mean be invisible. But our stories have a weight, a color. By integrating these traditional motifs, we move beyond generic branding and tap into a powerful cultural narrative that resonates deeply.
It's modern, it's Rwandan, it's strong. It speaks of heritage without being a museum piece.
By integrating these Afrocentric designs, we project a 20% increase in localized engagement.
I appreciate the effort, Kirezi, but this approach simply doesn't align with our global strategy. We will stick to the original plan.
Her passion is admirable.
But we must be practical, not provincial.
So as you can see, the localized concept simply isn't scalable. We will move forward with the standardized branding guidelines.
I heard what Gatete did. He's a fool. His vision is stuck in 1998.
It doesn't matter. He was right. It was impractical.
No, it was powerful. And I need that power. How do I build an empire on my own terms?
You don't. We do. Together.
I need a brand, a symbol, an empire.
This is it, Kirezi. This is the foundation of everything we talked about. Look at how the concepts connect.
I see it. It's perfect, John.
AGASOBANUYE, the story explained. But for us, by us, 250, an empire of our own.
Forget the agency. This is about our story, our brand. Now, let's make it real.
An empire is not a place you conquer. It's an idea you build, a flag you raise.
Okay, we do this together. Don't let me down.